Welcome in this tutorial. So I'm going to give you a guideline. I'm going to walk you through on how you can create a simple design like this, a social media flyer like this. Alright, so this is your first time seeing my video, watching my video. Do to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have a question, just drop it in the comment section. Right, so we are going to see how we can design a simple flyer like this. Alright, so I'll just give you guys the basics on how we formed all these shapes and everything, but I'm not going to get all this right up done in this tutorial, so that this video will not be too long. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is let's make one of our background one of the color in this. Alright, so either we make it this orange or this blue. So I would prefer make it blue, the background, the total background to be blue. Alright, so if you're new to Pixellab, let me just do a small introduction to this. Alright, so here is for your test. When you did test, here is for shapes, any form of shape, whether imported shapes, maybe pictures and or any other thing. Then here is for your background, and here is for effect. Alright, so we want to get a background, so here's where we are going to click. So if you click on it, then you are going to see all this. So and what we need is color, so we are going to click on color. If you need image, you can click from this. You need those image from your gallery, you can as well click from this one that says from gallery. Alright, so the one we are going to pick for this tutorial is this color. Alright, so you click on color. Then we're not going to use gradient right now. This is in gradient. As you can see, these are gradients, not plain color. So we are going to make use of this color here, not gradient. We're going to make use of color. Alright, so you click on color. Then we're going to make our color to be blue. Right, so here's the color, this blue color here. That's the color we're going to make use of, that blue color there. So just click on it. Alright, so the next thing now is just to get a shape so that we form this, one here, this yellow background that is there. So we are going to use shape for this one. So like I said before, if you are new to Pixellab, here is for shape. So click on it, then you are going to click on shapes so we can import the shape we want. You click on it, and here's the shape we want. You can do some editing here, but okay, let's just do it here. So we have to change the color. If you scroll down, here's for reduce, that's to have a round corner, this opacity, and here's the color of this shape. So we are going to change the color. We are going to give it an orange color, which is this one here, this orange color here. Alright, so you click on it, then you have to resize to get something like this. Then the next thing, if you look closely to our design, okay, I think this is not the color, so let's just come to color, just enable the button, and let us look for this color that is here. I guess this is the color. Alright, so here's the one that I used. Alright, so that's the color. Then the next thing we are going to do is we will add stroke to this shape. Just scroll when you will see stroke, and here it is. Then you click on stroke, enable the button, then you're going to give it a white color. Then you increase this stroke width, increase it to something like 3 or 4. Okay, let's leave it at 6. Alright, so you're going to keep it this way. I'm going to keep it this way. Alright, so let's use positions. Yeah. It's okay this way. Alright, so let's just lock the shape. For those who are new in Pixellab, here's where you can lock your shape. You click on this, then you have to click on this. You're going to click on this key icon here for it to lock it. It will shine red, so this shows that you have locked this particular shape here. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to do, let's start from top, like from here. Let's do this side. The first thing is this logo. So it's not a must that you have a logo. So this is a logo. It's not a must that you have a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can just omit it. So let us import that logo the best way is just click on this plus sign here. Then I'm going to click on this from gallery, so you can import it from your gallery, and make sure you have removed the background of that logo. And I have dropped a video on how you can reduce, or how you can remove the background of an image. So you can just crop it this way. It's not a must that you crop, but I just want to crop. Alright, so we want to resize. Here is for general resizing. Okay, here is for increasing the length, increasing the width. Alright, so let's just reduce it to something like this. I think it's okay. Let's use position for us to get the better position for that logo. You click on it, then you tap on the side you want to get the logo, where you can to locate the logo. It's okay like this. So you can just get this test. I'm not going to do it so that this video will not be long. So you can just write your own name or anything you want to write on this. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to treat in this blue part is this text here. You can see it has it is underlined. Alright, so let's just give a sample of how we can get such. If you click on your text, alright, for those who are new, then you click on this plus sign here. Let us add a text. Alright, so you click on it, then you click on edit for you to edit it. Alright, let's just say welcome. Let's just type something. Alright, okay, so this is the text, and we want to make it to be in underlined form. So we want to underline that text. So the best way, just click on the text, then you scroll till you see style. When you see style, look at it here, style. Alright, so you click on it, then if you come to this style, this capital B is for you to make the text to be bold, then this one is for you to make it to be in italics form. To slant, sorry, so that it will slant. Alright, so then this one is for underline, and this one is to do any style you have applied. Alright, so and what we want in this situation is, I think that is in that text they give it bold style. Alright, so we are going to click on bold. You can see the text is now bold. This text is now bold. Then click on this underline so that we can underline it. You can see the text has been underlined. So this is just the simple way to do this. Alright, so that's how you can get such if you want to replicate exactly this flyer. Alright, so the next thing is this shape, which is easy. Just go to your shapes, then click on shapes. Alright, so you click on it. We are going to use this shape. Just resize it to the length you want, and then keep it this way. Then you're going to give it the same color with this one here, the same color with this one here. Alright, so let us scroll so we will see the color, and here is the color. Here's the color. Alright, so you click on it, then place it like this. Just resize it to the level you want. Alright, so the next thing now is this last shape, which is here. This last shape, the first one, you can use something like let's say something like circle, because there is a kind of circle in that shape. So for us to select the type of shape we want, just click on this drop icon here. You click on it, then you select the one we want to use. Circle this time around. Alright, so just going to color, so that we apply color to it. Let's scroll and get the color, and here's the color. Right, so just resize till you get what you want. I think is something like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then we are going to go to shape again. Go to shapes again. We are going to import another shape by clicking on this, another different shape, which will be this shape. Now let's use this shape. Alright, so we have to rotate it. We have to rotate it using this. It's okay. This is just keep it this way. Reduce it to the size you want. Alright, and then give it the color you want. The color which is the same as this one we have used already. Okay, so let's just go to color, then check the color, and here's the color. Alright, so you can just keep it this way. So that's how we got this shape that you are seeing here. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do now is just to get this shape, this particular two shapes, they are the same thing. Alright, the best way to do that is just go to your shapes again, then click on this drop icon, choose circle as your shape. So you have to go back to edit, because we are going to stay there and edit everything we need. Alright, so you click on edit, then you are going to this opacity here. Now you are going to reduce it. This opacity, we are going to reduce it to 0%. Alright, then you come to, sorry, this should be on a circle, not block. Alright, so then you give it a stroke, which is here, stroke width, increase the stroke width to something like 2. Let's reduce the size to what we want. Right, the stroke should be on level 3, is okay like that. Then give the stroke a color. If you scroll down, you'll see the stroke color. So let us choose the color, which is this. Alright, so you just have to place this like this. Sorry, just place it like this, then you copy the shape, then you have to resize it to be smaller. Let's use position this time around. So you just keep it in a better position. Let us resize this one soon again. I think that's good. So we have gotten that shape. Alright. Alright, it's okay like this. The next thing is just to merge the two shapes so that they will become one shape. Just click here. Then I'm going to click this place, and hope you are seeing where I'm pointing at. If you click at it, then you're going to tick the two things you want to merge, which are this one, these two here. So that's what we want to merge. You click on them. Then the next one is just to click on this. Then click OK. So we have merged the two shapes. If you look at it, they are now one shape, no more two again. Alright, so you can now copy this shape and then place it here. So that's how we got this shape. Alright, very simple. Okay, now let us move to this yellow part, this orange part. The first thing that we are going to look at is this dotted thing here. So go to your text. How to do that is very simple. Go to your text, then click on this plus sign to add your text, click edit. Alright, so we are going to use full stop for this. Only full stop, just only full stop. You can just copy these ones and paste so that it will be easy for you. Copy and then paste, and just paste more. I think it's okay. Let's size to get what we want. So you have to make it to be bolder. Bolder again. It's okay. It's going to be a trail line. So let us go to, if you check, the space between those dotted line is too much. The space here is too much. So let us reduce that space. Just click on line spacing. Line spacing. Here it is. You click on it, then reduce it to whatever level you want. So this design be like this. So we are going to remove one dot. Just go to edit and then remove one dot. I think now it's okay now. It's okay now. Then place it like this. So that's how we got that dotted line there. Very simple. Right, so the next thing now is this shape, which is here. Let us see how we can get this. Alright, so go to shapes again, click on shapes, then we are going to select this shape. Alright, so we have to turn it. Sorry, it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Then let's resize it a little bit. I think it's okay. Then we are going to just keep this one like this. Keep this one this way in this position. Then copy it. This one you just copy it. Now go to texture. Just click on texture. Let's add an image to it. let's add an image to it. Let me just check for any. Okay, let me use this one. Alright, then go to texture, back to texture again. Just go back to texture. Don't enable this button, don't click on it. This enable button here, don't click on it. Alright, so we have to increase this scale, increase it to something like this. I think is okay. Then place it like this. And this one, we are going to add a stroke to it. We are going to add a black stroke to it. Click on stroke, then enable the button, then choose black color. Increase it to 3 is okay. Alright, so let me increase this. So this shape needs to be increased. Yes, I think it's okay like this. Then this one, just keep it this way. Then go back to your texture again so that we can increase this, so that we obtain 2 pictures. I want this face to appear only 2. Alright, so let's increase. Okay, we have gotten it this way. Alright, so it's not a must that you use this pattern to add your image. You can just simply add your image the normal way. Just import your image and add it there. This is just to show you how you can get something related to this. Alright, it's not a must that you use this procedure or this method. Alright, so I think we're almost done with our design. Yeah, we're almost done. Alright, the next thing now, we're almost done, sure. Alright, so what remains here is just these shapes that is here, these social media icons, which are WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. So you can just go to your Pinterest app, download these icons, and then remove the background before. Make sure to remove the background. Alright, so this is just a simple way you can design this a social media flyer. Alright, so this line here, just use shape and get this line. It's very simple. So if you just get this knowledge, this is just the structure of this design. You can put your own text, your own name, what you want to put in that flyer. Alright, so this is just basics. I just want to show you guys how you can make this type of design or form something related to this. Alright, so we are already done. So if you know you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please just quietly do that now, so I get more value from this in this skill, which is graphic design. You will learn a lot if you subscribe. If you have any question, just drop it on the comment section, and make sure to like this video after watching. Thank you, and see you in the next video.